Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can crop video clips in your video projects in Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So guys, here in the video editor of Clipchamp, navigate to your video project and select the video clip on your timeline. Click into it here on your frame and then you will see the crop tool here at the top. Click into it. Now, as you can see, that box has changed its appearance, so you may use these handles to the left, to the right, bottom, top, and in the corners to crop the area of the frame you would like to keep. You may also click into the video clip in the background and adjust its position if you like. So let me just crop, let's say, that part of the image or of the frame. Click into that check mark button here. And that is going to crop your video clip for the entire video clip on your timeline. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.